what it do, y'all? Y'all check this out. What year this is?
Actually an 80, but it's got a 78, 79 front pedal.
Okay, okay. Boy, looking good. Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. Car road, baby. Sounding good. Got them pinstripes. Old school. Why flex? Why? Huh? Right on. Digital dash. Old school GT Grant wood steering wheel, 4-bar. A lot of y'all don't know nothing about that. Y'all too young for that. Got the Frenchies. A lot of y'all don't know nothing about that either. Oh, then they work. Oh, see, that's the first for me. Man, hit that again for me. I ain't see that. Shit. Huh. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. That's right. Oh, and then we can't forget about the old school throwback mirror. Y'all know I usually have me one in my car. I ain't went and got one yet. Y'all know about that. Old school throwback. Yeah. I think I was about 6 years old. I seen my cousin. I think that was my cousin Ronnie. He had a green and white one like this. I think he had the mirrors going across there, if I'm not mistaken. One of my kinfolk had that. Hollywood top. He all the way with it. Watch this, y'all. OG want to say something to you too.
What's up? Over here, my boy J Black Spot.
Right
It's all
on.
good. M&G doing it up. Like you go. From the north side.
Right on.
Giving you the one time for your mind, boy.
Yeah.
You boys about to do it.
A lot of MCs hitting that scene.
Boy, look here. It's going to be a hot next summer.
Ooh.
That next summer going to be hot, baby.
On fire, huh?
Just let y'all know. Y'all better come on with it. Because we about to link up. We going to try to get 12 deep.
Huh.
Boys trying to sneak out there with them converters.
Yeah. Yeah.
I
Yeah.
go to the juggler. I don't play.
Right on.
Yeah, man. Look here. Be on the lookout. Well, it's already out. Just get with me on that slab related gear. That's the hottest thing out. And also, I wish I could say this other thing, but I gotta say it off camera.
Okay.
But y'all about to see something next month with that my C10 convertible truck.
Uh-oh.
About to go worldwide next month.
Uh-oh.
Well, let's say the beginning of the season for the Texans. Let's just say that.
Okay.
Going down, man. Slab related gear. Get your slab related gear.
Tell them where to get it.
You can go on SLABRLTD on Facebook. Check me out. Go on Instagram also. Slab_related. Check me out, baby.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Y'all hear him. And it's him rolling right here, y'all. So when he talk about slab related, y'all see the man know what he talking about. He OG in the game out here. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about. The boy Jay Black. You know what I'm saying? Nigga, he'll think he cool as hell, man.
And you.
Yeah. 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 That's what I'm talking about. OG got it. Got the you know, the touches, the details, you know what I'm saying? Hey, that's what I'm talking about, y'all. He pull up jamming, feeling good. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. We out, y'all. I'll let y'all later.